Hello, great people. You are welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all with me today. Lovelies, I brought you this delicious, simple, juicy, super yummy fish recipe. This is super for kids and also super for adults. It's a must try for everyone. What you need is fish fillet. I'll be using this fish fillet. You can use any kind of fish. You can use cod, you can use salmon, you can use tilapia fillet, you can use any kind of fish. You only need to wash it and pat dry it. So, and I'll be using only salt. Sprinkle some salt or mixture of herbs on it, but I'll be using only salt today. Sprinkle some at the back of the fish and then flip over. Okay, shout out to Jenny Jacobs. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Remember to leave a comment. You might be the next person on my shout out. Thank you. After flipping over, sprinkle some salt. That is it. Now let's make our batter. We'll be using milk. Yes, milk. I'm using 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'll be adding just 2 eggs into it. All right, and after that I'll be adding some salt as well. Yes, some salt. Like I've said, you can add black pepper, you can add any kind of herbs you like into it, but guys, I'm using just salt. And after that, 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil or melted butter, 1 tablespoonful, and give it a good mix. After that, 1 cup of flour. You'll be adding it into it bit by bit as you add your mix together until you have everything. And after that, give it a good mix. Let everything become one. So look at it. That is it. It's now time to prepare for the frying. Yes, you're going to need your vegetable oil. Heat it up. You can use a skewer to know if it is hot enough. And after that, you only need to get your batter and your fish fillet ready now. It's now time to deep fry it. You take the fish one by one, not everything at a time. Dip it into the batter, drain it, and you drop it into the oil. Yes, that is what you have to do, one after the other. Don't overcrowd your pots, okay? And what I'm doing now, I'm just taking the excess of the butter out of the oil. Loveless. This tastes super delicious. I'm still thinking of what to create from it. I'm going to do something. I must do something about it. Watch out and look it down this channel. Okay, you're going to see what I'm going to create from it. So that is my kitchen towel to take the excess oil. Note that will suck out the excess oil from the fish. Okay, once they are golden brown on both sides, then it's time to take them out of the oil. You can see this golden brown looks super delicious, and the process is so simple, like ABC. This one is ready. All you need to do is to just repeat the same process until you finish everything. So this is what you're gonna have. Tell me, who will not love this? Children eat it like the finger food. You can serve it this way with potato. You can serve it with rice. You can eat it like this. You can just add some ketchup, mayo. This is also perfect for fries. You give it a try and let me know how much you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.